Hey everybody, this is Jessica from ArtistryinCards and JessicaLynnOriginal.com. This is where I draw all of my own rubber stamp designs. So ArtistryinCards is the YouTube channel associated to my rubber stamp company. Now, if you are interested, we have a brand new digital stamp set, and it is an adorable spring chicken. I also did a bunny, and both of them were wearing like little straw hats with ribbons and flowers. So definitely go and take a look at those. If you are interested, all you got to do is add it to the cart. And the cool part about digital stamps is that you can go ahead and within minutes be able to start using this in your crafting. Now, a lot of times with digitals, I'll actually use a Word document to decide how I'm going to size these out. So that sometimes I'll make an 8x10 for my kids to color. Sometimes I'll make them tiny like this for my card. Really just depends on my project that I'm working on. So just know you are able to use Jessica Lynn Original digitals in your projects that you sell. If you have questions about the use of digital stamps, please take a look. We do hold the rights to them, and they are for personal projects, or if you're going to sell them, they have to be within a certain limited of quantity. If you're thinking about mass producing something, please reach out because we would love to talk to you about a bigger license for our art. Now, as I said before, I'm Jessica, and today I want to share a couple of fun things. So number one, we are getting ready to celebrate 21 years of Jessica Lynn Original this April 1st. I cannot believe it, but I want to say thank you for being a part of the journey with me. So bringing this chicken to life, I'm using Copic markers, but you could use colored pencils, crayons, watercolors, markers. Really just depends on what you print him off or her off on. So, like different cardstock, etc. One of the pro tips I use is obviously start with the lightest color, build up your layers. And when you do your shadowing, don't always use gray. Try and find other shades of the same main color. So like browns or, a darker goldenrod. And the other thing is don't forget all those tiny details like the little flower and the bow. I started with too dark of a blue, so I'm going to go back in and fix that. Now, typically I will try and embellish a card, add, sparkles or glitter. Sometimes I'll add different cuts. Sometimes I'll do that really awesome, Amy taught me many years ago how to use the distress oxide. Sometimes I'll use that and create a background. I have a really simple idea for this card, and I'm fingers crossed it's going to work. Now, a lot of people say, I don't really know digitals or I'm not sure. What I like about digitals is you can try new colors, print them up again. If you mess it up, it's okay. Just reprint it, and it gives you a lot of creative freedom, and it just makes crafting so much more fun. So we are almost there. I think he's looking pretty good. Just want to put some colors in. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to just cut him out, and then I think I'm going to find a sentiment sticker. I have one called, it's called Inspirational Sticker Pack. I got it many years ago at Joann's, RIP Joann's, and it's one of my favorite sets. It has, I'm not kidding you, I think it has like 200 sentiments, and every single time I make a card, perfect one always shows up. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you to go and make some cards, maybe color, maybe try a digital stamp. Be sure to like and subscribe this video, comment down below. I would love to hear from you. It's so exciting to be growing something so special here, and your support really means everything. So I found the sticker sentiment, and it says, there is so much to be thankful for, which truly that is the truth. It is what it is, right? And I thought just putting that with the colored chicken centered underneath, it looks like such a beautiful, simple card. I hope that when I send this out, someone loves it just as much as I had fun making it. So I'll see you in the next video. Keep creating, keep smiling, and keep spreading joy. I look forward to seeing you again soon, and take care, everybody.